Hi, this is Sharielle Smith from Laptop Magazine, reporting from CES 2012. We're standing at the Razer booth in front of the Razer Blade, and I'm here with Brian Zhang of Razer, and he's about to walk us through the new Razer Blade gaming notebook.
Yeah, so this is the Razer notebook, the Razer Blade, and this is the world's first true gaming notebook. And we say that because of the performance that it carries, plus the form factor. Incredible performance, true portability is really what makes a gaming laptop a gaming laptop.
Okay.
Now with the form factor, it's 0.88 inches thin, and it's 6.6 pounds, so it's actually lighter than a MacBook Pro and thinner than a MacBook Pro. With specs, it's got a Intel Core i7 processor. The base clock frequency is at 2.8 gigahertz, and with Turbo Boost, it'll go all the way up to 3.5 gigahertz. It's got embedded with a NVIDIA GT555 mobile graphics card, a 256 gigabyte SSD storage drive, and 8 gigabytes of memory. The other features that it has is the Switchblade user interface.
Okay, I was curious about that because I see a lot of programmable hotkeys, and I see the distinctive touchpad. So if you can go into that.
So the Blade can. Start again? Or?
Yeah, right there is fine.
Okay, so the Razer Blade has a trackpad. It's a touch panel that can function as a trackpad. And it also supports 10 dynamic tactile keys. We call this the Switchblade user interface.
Okay.
So let's go with the cursor first. You can see that there are numbers across, and you can customize these keys to have any shortcuts that you want within game or within Windows. If you want a web browser or application to open up,
Okay.
you can save those settings. We also have the numeric keypad. Now these will all dynamically change. Pressing the numlock key, you'll have different settings that come up. We have the macro function where you can record your own macros. We have a gaming mode where it'll disable your Alt-Tab, your Alt-F4, or a Windows key. We also have applications such as a web browser, multi-touch capability, high-resolution touch panel, and we also have a YouTube app where you can watch videos. So basically, if you're in a game, you're stuck at a level, and you want to look for a YouTube walkthrough, you don't have to exit out of your game. You just do it right on the screen. Now the cool thing about this is it's running on Synapse 2.0. Okay. So with this, you're able to customize everything that's on the Razer Blade. You can even go to launching programs, changing the icons by yourself on whatever image that you want. You can change the lighting, how dim you want it. You can set custom macros. Now once you save all these custom settings, with Synapse 2.0, it'll actually upload it to the cloud. And if you have other products from Razer that support Synapse 2.0, like our Star Wars The Old Republic keyboard, it also uses the Switchblade user interface.
Okay.
It'll download everything to what you have from the Blade and vice versa. So if you have one or the other, you could switch over profiles. Say you're using a mouse like the Naga Hex, and you're using it on that keyboard, you want to transfer that over to a Blade. Well, you could transfer all the custom settings that you've worked on just through Synapse 2.0.
Awesome. So how much is this going to be retailing for, and when can I get one?
MSRP will be $27.99.99. And pre-order should be available mid-January, and I think it'll start shipping towards the end of January.
Again, I'm Sharielle Smith for Laptop Magazine, covering CES 2012 here in the Razer booth. I'm standing here with the Razer Blade gaming notebook, and Brian from Razer. And stay tuned for more coverage from Laptop Magazine.